Hello everyone. Managing production entry in Tejo ERP is easy. But before you start, you need to set up a few important masters. First is the Blockage Reason Master. Go to the left side menu, click on Master, then Blockage Reason, click the plus button, enter your reason, and check the Is Related to Maintenance box if applicable. This helps you block production entries whenever needed.
Next is the Machine Master. Click on left side menu, click on Machine Master, and now click the plus button and fill in details like machine number, name, work center, production line, utilization, capacity, and OEE target, or overall equipment effectiveness target. Shows how well a machine is performing compared to its full potential. Scroll down to Under Maintenance and Asset Information. This section of the Machine Master is linked to the Maintenance module. Here, you can add important details like the purchase date, warranty date, and both the last and upcoming maintenance dates. After filling all details, then click on Create Machine. After that, set up operator mapping. Click on left side menu, click on Operator Mapping, click on plus button. Now selecting the operator name and the machine they will handle. Then click Submit. Mapping is done. Next, create the Work Center Master. Go to left side menu. In Master, click on Work Center and click on plus button. Now entering the Work Center name, code, and optionally an alternative work center. Then click Create. Once all these masters are ready, your system is fully prepared and you can start production in Tejo ERP smoothly and efficiently. Thank you.